going home, guys and gals. After we had our reviews for the movie that we have watched, we are now here in San Roque. No people around. Even when it's dark and even during the night, I always had my walking here going home, either when I'm watching a movie or having some relaxing at the park, everywhere around.